Hello kids, today's are topics are conjunctions and prepositions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. Si no fuera por este tipo de palabras como and y but, donde terminaríamos con oraciones muy cortas y simples como I like cooking, I like eating, I don't like washing dishes, y no podríamos conectar ideas tan fácilmente. Y estas palabras son muy útiles por las convenciones que establecen para conectar ideas. Por ejemplo, aquí, Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. Este yet nos dice que esta idea persiste a pesar de la anterior. Conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of multiple short sentences. Make sure that the phrases joined by conjunctions are parallel. Share the same structure. Aquí primero tenemos una oración incorrecta. I work quickly and careful. Y la versión correcta, I work quickly and carefully. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You can remember them by using the mnemonic device Mindvoice. For es desde o para. And es y. Nor es ni. But es pero. Or es o. Yet es aún así. So es entonces. Let's see an example. I'd like pizza or a salad for lunch. We needed a place to concentrate. So we packed up our things and went to the library. Jessie didn't have much money, but she got by. Notice the use of the comma when a coordinating conjunction is joining two independent clauses. Como en esta segunda oración, donde tenemos we needed a place to concentrate. So, introducimos una conjunción. Entonces va la como antes. So we packed up our things and went to the library. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are a pair of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either, or, neither, nor, and not only, but also. Not only I am finished studying for English, but I am also finished writing my history essay. I am finished with both my English essay and my history essay. Estas nos indican con correlative, a lo que se refiere es que nos indican una opción y otra no. Either es o, neither ni, not only y but also son además. The next type we'll see is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join independent and dependent clauses. A subordinating conjunction can signal a cause and effect relationship, a contrast, or some other kind of relationship between the clauses. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as, although, though, while, and whereas. Sometimes words as until, after, before can function as a conjunction. An example is I can't stay out until the clock strikes 12. Traducidas son because, porque, since, dado que, o desde que, o desde, as, como, o es una partícula para comparación, although, aunque, though, aunque, while, mientras, whereas, mientras que, until, hasta, after, después, before, antes, y esas son todas. Here, the adverb until functions as a coordinating conjunctions to connect two ideas. I can stay out, the independent clause, and the clock strikes 12, the dependent clause. The independent clause could stand alone as a sentence. The dependent clause depends on the independent clause to make sense. The subordinating conjunction doesn't need to go in the middle of the sentence. It has to be part of the dependent clause. But the dependent clause can come before the independent clause. Y esto de las causas dependientes e independientes son importantes para determinar dónde irá la coma. Before he leaves, make sure his room is clean. If the dependent clause comes first, use a comma before the independent clause. I drank a glass of water because I was thirsty. Because I was thirsty, I drank a glass of water. Starting a sentence with a conjunction. Many of us were taught in school that it's an error to begin a sentence with a conjunction. But that rule is a myth. As mentioned above, a subordinating conjunction can begin a sentence if the dependent clause comes before the independent clause. It's also correct to begin a sentence with a coordinating conjunction. Often is a good way to add emphasis. Beginning too many sentences with conjunctions will cause the device to lose its force. However, so use this technique sparingly. Have a safe trip and don't forget to call when you get home. Gertie flung open the door, but there was no one on the other side. Ahora que terminamos con este tema, veamos rápidamente. Empecemos con las prepositions. Prepositions. Prepositions indicate relationships between other words in a sentence. Many prepositions tell you where something is or when something happened. Most prepositions have several definitions, so the meaning changes quite a bit in different contexts. Ending a sentence with a preposition is not a grammatical error. What is a preposition? Let's look at these sentences. Vampires, zombies, werewolves. Where? Behind you. Thank goodness for prepositions. Imagine not knowing where the danger lay. Entonces, se anuncia este tipo de criaturas. Asustados respondemos dónde. Y la preposición sale del día porque nos indica dónde está. Atrás de ti. Y con esa rápida introducción, terminamos el día de hoy. Las veremos a mayor detalle la próxima vez. See you next time.